Good afternoon, Miss Marta and classmate. I am Andrea Espinosa and I'm going to talk about the space and planet. Well, let's begin. Exploring space helps to approach almost essential questions about our universe and solar system. It is worth mentioning that this exploration, as much as it helps humanity and has its advantages and disadvantages. Scientists are interested in how the universe came into being, how it was formed, and the whole process. In 1969, a human was able to step foot on the moon. It was a historic event that is still remembering in century 21. Okay. I think one of the main advantages is that investing money in space exploration has a technological return, thus that improve the world. However, there are some impediments to such space travel. These are negative effects, but for the humans, I mean for the astronaut. Okay. This damage is for their bodies, such as muscle atrophy, skeletal deterioration, and disease resulting from radiation exposure. Another consequence is that in the future it could lead to conflict with beings that will surely have advances technology. And obviously, when these beings are invaded, they will defend themselves, and rightly so, because is that their land, their home. Well, as a conclusion, I must say that every explorer will always face danger, and the space is not an exception. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.